Hello friends, how are you all? So guys, I guess this is the last video in which I'm not going to record through mic because in this video I'm unboxing my new mic. Yes guys, this time I'm recording it from phone, and from next videos onwards I guess I'm going to record from mic because I've just got my package of the mic I ordered from Amazon, so I'll be unboxing it. And there's something unique on these boxes, so it's about Biswajit Swain. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's open this thing. It looks really light. I don't know how it's gonna be, and I bought it on the Amazon for around 300 rupees. It's not very expensive mic. So guys, this is the mic and it's really ordinary mic. I don't think there's even any branding on this, so I'll just open it and show you. So this is the simplistic and I guess minimalistic mic, and let's see how it performs. I will update you on its performance. So that's it for this video guys. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Bye bye. Hey guys, so this is a new initiative from Amazon and this is really good. And if you click on the photo and scan it on your phone scanner, you will get onto a page that will tell this customer's whole story, and you will get to know how Amazon changed his life.